The centre has proposed a draft Sugar Control Order 2024 to allow the sale of raw sugar in the domestic market, replacing a 6-decade-old regulation that only permitted exports. Indian mills currently produce raw sugar exclusively for overseas refineries. The new draft, issued by the Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Ministry, cites technological advancements as the reason for amending the 1966 order. Raw sugar, which commands a higher price than refined sugar, could benefit the industry. The draft also includes Khandsari and Gur, with larger Khandsari units being regulated. The government will regulate sugar prices, considering factors like production costs and revenue from byproducts.